Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find the gallery app on OnePlus phones. This tutorial will work for any OnePlus phone, so it doesn't matter which model you have, you can follow this tutorial. So, the first and the most common thing you should do is search for photos instead of gallery. This is a common mistake because on some phones the name for the gallery app is gallery and sometimes it's photos. So let's swipe up on the home screen, then tap on the search bar and search for photos. By now you will most probably find photos. But if you don't, that may be due that app being disabled. So to enable it, easily go to the Play Store, then go to Search tab and search for photos. Now you should see Google Photos. So here I have the Google Photos. Let's click on that and click on Enable. So this is a different app than the stock one, but it still will work just fine. So now, since the Google Photos are enabled, you can just easily find them. You can see I have them here. Let's open them. And now my photos will be displayed here. If this method for some reason doesn't work for you, or you just want to find out another method, you can search for Files app instead of the photos. And in the Files app, you can also view all your images and videos. So let's click on Images. Here are my photos. Let's go back. And in the videos, you can find the videos. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.